Hi everyone, so I'm back with a little quick video. I put together a little freebie kit that's over on my coffee shop. I'll put a link to it below if you're interested. You can go and check it out. You can check out the other freebies that I have over there, digital kits and any journals that I have for sale. So it's 7 pages. You get 4 background pages in collage style, and you get 2 landscape, 2 portrait. So this is the first one. I'll do something with that over the weekend with the kit, see what I can make with that. And then we get these, and you get some tags, and you get some other tags, and then you get some journal cards with the birdies and the flowers and stuff on. So that's the little kit. And like I said, if you're interested, the link will be below. And let's do that. Oh, my cat's in here scraping at a box. She loves a box. So yeah, there we go. That's just going to be my thumbnail picture. Anyway, links will be below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.